Right, today we are doing a review on this webcam, this little baby here. That's how it came in a little box like that. It came in another box, and inside was this little tiny box here. So we're doing a review on this little baby, and as always, I will stick a link in the video description so you can go and check it out. So with that, let's get on with it. So I'm going to show you the side because this is where all the information is. So it's a full HD 1080 webcam, supports the compression format of MJPEG H.264, and I use H.264 on most of my videos anyway. Plug and play full HD 1080 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames. Well, it says 30 frame rate, that's what it says. Built-in microphone and compatible with USB 2.0, so it should work on most computers and most laptops. Supports the operation system of UVC protocols such as Windows series, so it probably work on a Mac as well, I'm guessing. Not tried it, I haven't got a Mac, so I can't actually test it. I'm taking it you have to shield it from the rain and sunshine and don't break it and keep it upright. Keep it upright. So let's have a quick look on the back. Nothing really to see, sort of a dress on the back, nothing major. Same information on both sides, and that's about it. So with that, I haven't got my knife, so I've got to go and get my knife. So with that, I'll go and get my knife. Right, so I've got my knife. So these are great for doing live streams, anything like that. That should be perfect. Let's see what you're going to get for your money. Right, let's move that out of the way. So, webcam manual. So it's not going to tell you much because there's not a lot to these anyway. It's all plug and play and away you go. So that's what that says. Detail parameters on the other side. Get that out of the way. Let's have a look at this little baby. The way these mount are basically the same as what I've already got. So that goes over your top of your monitor like that. That clamps into position and you can adjust this how you want. So they're quite easy to use. And what we're going to do, have a quick look around, see how long this lead is, and then do an installation, see how easy it is to set up. And it should be extremely easy. Like I said, it should be just plug and play. So with that, I'll get on with it. Right, I'm just going to quickly set her up and see how she works. I'm not going to do many adjustments, just to see how easy it is just to plug and play. So basically, you just undo that there, just pull that open. That will sit up there like that, and push the back in, and that should hold it in place. And then you can adjust this bit to whatever angle you want. You might need to add some extra light. It really depends on your software that you're using. I've added a lamp because I have to add a lamp anyway on my other camera. So I've added a lamp, just give it a bit of brightness. And I'm going to plug this straight into my computer right now. I'm just going to dangle the wire over. Plug her in, give it a few seconds for it to recognise it. It'll probably bleep or something, or you get a flash of light. For this review, I am using Windows software, so this is the one that comes with Windows 10. Might be different for Windows 8 and 7, I'm not sure. I can't remember what ones I use now. But this is the one I'm using because I thought it would give you a true experience of what you're going to start off with. Also, I'm using the onboard microphone from the webcam. Again, it's one of the things you're going to have to go in and do adjustments to get the volume levels right. You might find you're picking up a lot of background noise. You're probably getting a lot of background noise from me anyway because I have some noisy fans running, and the camera or the microphone probably will pick that up. So like I said, you will have to make some adjustments. Also, I have a fridge and a freezer running over there, as you can see. So they can be quite noisy. So the environment in here is quite noisy. So if that is a problem for you, you might want to invest in another microphone which will, take out all that background noise. So I'm not sure yet because I haven't listened to it myself, but I've been in there and done some quick adjustments, reduced it slightly. It started off on 100% and I thought, well, that might be too high, so I reduced it just to make sure it wasn't too loud. No, I will have a listen, and I might have to do this video bit again, but I will have a listen to it and see what it sounds like. So I reduced it to about, I think I took it down to about 80% or something like that. And like I said, this is Windows Basic, so the software is brightness, that is the only control you've got. And checking your settings, we have video quality is 1080p 16.9, and we run it at 30 frames per second. So we'll never go up to 60 frames per second or anything like that, because you're getting what you pay for. Flicker reduction is at 50 Hz, but you can change it to 60 Hz. I don't think it's really going to matter, but it depends again on your environment. If you're getting flicker, you might want to change it to 60 Hz or vice versa. So like I said, this is Windows Basics, and I wanted to give you a true experience to show you what you're going to get for your money. Oh, and by the way, I changed my shirt. Yeah, put this baby on. I was getting a bit sweaty, so I thought we'd change it. So with that, I'll let you know in a second what I think of it. So it's back over to you, Yorkie. Right, so I've had a listen to the sound, and yeah, it's not fantastic. There is some sort of noise coming through, even though it's got a noise reduction built into the microphone. But this is a budget webcam, it's not a high-end webcam, and even the high-end ones will pick up some sort of noise as well, unless you invest in a separate microphone. So you're getting what you pay for. This is, like I said, a budget webcam, not a high-end webcam, a budget one. It's 1080p by 1920, 30 frames per second, so don't expect it to be fantastic. If you're doing something like live streaming, the video quality again was not fantastic, but when you move it down to a smaller size, no one's going to notice. And if you're doing something like a web conference as well, it's good enough for a web conference. It's not fantastic again. Why would you want a fantastic 4K image for a web conference or something like that? Even for gaming, normally your pictures or your video is a tiny little picture stuck on one side of the screen somewhere out of the way. So it's perfect if you're just thinking about getting into live streaming or doing web conferencing, whether it be for your friends or business. It should work perfectly for that environment. Again, the noise might be an issue, I don't know. I've had to listen to it and I thought, yeah, it's okay. I have noisy environment. I have big powerful fans blowing through that computer to try and keep it cool. I have a fridge and a freezer, which it will pick up now and again. Go in there, make your fine adjustments on your mic settings, play about with it, get it just right, and hopefully you will find that sweet spot. So with that, what do I think? I think for the amount of money you are paying, it definitely gets my thumbs up. Wasn't expecting it to be fantastic anyway, so it gets my thumbs up. For the price that you are paying, it is good enough for you to start whatever you're looking into starting. Unless you've got loads of money, you want to invest in loads of equipment, it's got everything you need, webcam, built-in microphone, and you can use Windows software. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It's free. Thank you very much for thank you very much for watching. I think that's right.